and many of the children that we work with and I've worked with don't want to sit down and look at a book. They're not interested in that. They're not interested in that kind of traditional. And so what I've done is use what I call literacy prompts, nursery rhymes, right? And those I can do those in the car as we're waiting in, line for something, or at the bank, or in the grocery store as we're walking through and I'm pushing you in a cart. I can do that. And again, it has that rhythm, it has that rhyme, it has all of the components of literacy. And then using the literacy prompt, I come up with ideas that connect that with other forms of literacy. So, the one that you're saying, the Itsy Bitsy Spider, we're all familiar with that. And so the parent might say, hey, we're going to take a walk today. We're going to look for spiders. And so that's helping with content. That's helping with meaning, right? We now know that we like spiders to stay outside. We might see them inside. We'd rather not. But, we're going to go look for them outside. Maybe you get those little plastic bugs from the dollar store and you put them outside in places and go to find them. See, there are 5 spiders out on the back porch. Can you find them? And so again, helping with content and just making that connection for them, right? And making it fun. If you think about that, even just in that activity, we've done language, oral language. We've done gross motor. We've done fine motor, because we're going to pick them up. We can do some social and emotional. We can talk about, you talk about numbers. You could talk about concepts. You could talk about one's up high, one's low, one's on the rock, one's under the rock. All of that is just complete and total language, and all of the other skills that we know that children learn best with. We all learn best when it's multisensory, when we're engaged, when we have our hands on it, when we can move, when we can touch. And so children that's the way they learn, is through play. That's the way they learn. And so they have to be moving. They have to be engaged. And this is the exact.
With what they already know, and it allows that new information to be embedded much easier.
Absolutely. So from a physical therapy standpoint, if you're having physical therapy, the PT might say, after we sang Itsy Bitsy Spider, we crawled on the floor like a spider. So maybe, again, working on those gross motor skills and talking about how a spider moves. And again, talk about, a spider has 8 legs. A spider is black. Still very language based. But you have that gross motor piece of it. Again, those plastic bugs, maybe we went and hunted them, right? Maybe we went on a bug hunt. So have a lot of gross motor opportunity with that. Occupational therapy, maybe a connect the dot if they're doing some writing, maybe some, work with crayons or grass. Making glitter, sprinkling glitter, maybe putting your hands all over it and spreading it, maybe doing some sensory sorts of things with that. Of course, speech therapy, we can just it's all language. So, we just do whatever